Hundreds of millions of tons of wood are harvested and transported every year. How can we solve this conundrum? The answer could pave the way for a sustainable future for the wood industry. The first step in the timber harvesting journey is to saw the tree safely. However, risks always lurk, from trees unexpectedly falling on houses to the sawyer losing his balance and falling when the ladder slips. With just a handheld chainsaw, felling giant trees becomes incredibly easy and efficient. Thanks to its powerful engine and compact design, this machine delivers outstanding power when felling trees. Cutting down this massive tree, which was 65 feet tall and weighed about 4,800 pounds, required a powerful engine with at least 220 horsepower. During the sawing process, the tree nearly fell onto the house, causing serious damage. Leave a like or a comment if you believe these machines are not only efficient, but also save time in the logging industry. Prepare to witness the overwhelming power of the TimberPro TL745D. With a 230 horsepower engine and a weight of 37,480 pounds, this machine combines with the monster Quadco 27SC to create powerful wood cutting moves. Have you ever seen the power of a real super beast? The John Deere 1470E is proof, with a 240 horsepower engine, conquering all challenges at work. Don't look away. Mulching stumps, a stump-busting machine with a whopping 200 horsepower. Weighing in at 13,227 pounds, it glides smoothly over rugged terrain, crushing stumps and pushing productivity to new heights. Have you ever seen a machine that can process wood as powerfully as this? With a 300 horsepower engine and a huge weight, this machine can easily crush large green pine logs in a snap. In the logging industry, the Ecolog 574F twinch impresses with its powerful performance. Equipped with a 275 horsepower engine, this machine optimizes the movement and handling of heavy timber in all harsh conditions. Don't miss the Morbark 4036 drum microchipper, a powerful wood chipper with a 420 horsepower engine. Weighing 36,500 pounds, the durable design and superior power help the Morbark 4036 operate durably in all harsh conditions. Wow. Join me in exploring the LKD81 Turbo, a powerful excavator with a powerful engine, optimized for efficient mining work. Weighing in at 26,455 pounds, the machine is solidly built, ready to conquer any challenging mining project. The perfect duo of the Weidemann 1240 and the Hahn HFB 150 Compact are experts in cutting and splitting wood. With a powerful motor and a compact design, this system easily conquers any tough block of wood. Have you ever seen a giant machine fighting nature? In the middle of a wet forest, the Timberjack 810B faces a harsh challenge. The mud and newly harvested would slow the machine down. Jake, the operator, watches nervously, worried that the wood will be damaged if the machine doesn't get out of the mud in time. Leave a like or a comment if you are interested in these powerful machines. When technology meets power, the Broyage Desouches CBI 5400 combined with the Caterpillar 324E is a powerful duo in tree stump processing. With a high-power engine and large weight, the machine easily crushes stubborn tree stumps. Stable and efficient operation helps optimize work in harsh environments. When time is the enemy, the log truck loading process becomes a breathless race, with specialized trucks like invincible warriors. With a large capacity engine and a sturdy suspension system, the vehicle easily conquers all terrains, bringing maximum working efficiency. The Steel MS-382 chainsaw blends with the sound of wood shattering, like a powerful symphony of destructive power. With a capacity of 5.2 horsepower, this saw easily creates sharp cuts, helping the teak tree fall gently. Continuing the power, the CX-9T CMX log loader trailer features a 320 horsepower engine, optimizing the efficiency of transporting and processing logs. Weighing 34,500 pounds, this machine ensures outstanding stability and durability in all harsh conditions of the mining industry. When it comes to efficient wood processing, the Svetruck TMF28-21 is always the first choice. This machine ensures stable and outstanding unloading of wood on difficult terrain, optimizing the loading process from the Volvo FH12 6x2 truck. You won't be able to take your eyes off the power of the Timberjack 810B in harsh conditions. Equipped with a 170 horsepower engine and a weight of 30,200 pounds, this logging machine is durable and powerful, easily conquering snow-covered forests. When performance and intelligence converge, the Morbark 1100 tub grinder stands out with its powerful, fuel-efficient engine and sophisticated design. The advanced control system makes it easy for businesses to customize, improving the efficiency of processing all types of materials. Transporting logs over rugged terrain, the truck is equipped with a 22,000-pound fork and a state-of-the-art balance system. The wheels roll over dirt and rocks firmly, leaving deep tracks on forest roads. With a maximum load of 39,600 pounds, this is a powerful assistant for loggers. What do you think of this struggling truck carrying tons of wood? Leave a comment or like to discuss and share your thoughts. What a nightmare. While operating the JCB excavator to load goods onto the truck, an unexpected accident occurred, causing the machine to overturn. To resolve the emergency situation, the rescue team quickly used a JCB excavator and case backhoe to turn the machine over. This incident caused work disruption, requiring timely response to limit damage and ensure project progress. With its sturdy design and smooth operation, the planned AMP 500072 locomotive makes a strong impression, ideal for long railway routes in harsh conditions. Thanks to its powerful power and outstanding durability, this machine represents a worthy investment in high efficiency and reliability in the transport industry. The scene is impressive as crawler and wheeled tractors work in unison, powerfully plucking and pulling large piles of straw from the fields to the farm. Powerful machines such as the DT-75, Agramash 90TG, VTG 90 and Massey Ferguson 7624 work together in harmony, overcoming all difficult terrains to complete the job with outstanding efficiency. The Ashmont Corner, home to the largest cargo transports in the world. I witnessed this spectacular scene firsthand, where modern machines moved in perfect harmony, powerful and precise like a symphony of steel, showcasing the pinnacle of modern mechanical technology. The Volvo timber truck roars in frustration as it gets stuck in the muddy road. Its immense weight causes the wheels to sink deep, with mud spilling over the sides. A tense scene unfolds, proving the truck's power exceeds what the road can handle. The process of dismantling the water tower became impressive when the powerful demolition excavator with a 250 horsepower engine was put into operation. With outstanding power, the excavator not only undertakes the task of partially demolishing the water tower, but also does it accurately and safely, bringing great efficiency. The scene was breathtaking as a powerful demolition excavator with a 250 horsepower engine began the work of dismantling the water tower. With impressive power and precise operation, the excavator safely destroys each part of the tower step by step, bringing outstanding efficiency to the entire process. In a tense moment, the powerful Terex CC 3800 SL crawler crane lifts the damaged convoy. The massive crane towers above, cables pulled taut, as each vehicle is hoisted from the ground with pinpoint precision, a scene charged with tension and raw strength. Oh my gosh, absolutely heart-stopping. As the boat was being lowered into the water by a cable crane, snap, the cable suddenly slipped off the hook. In an instant, the boat dropped free, creating a moment so intense it felt like my heart was about to leap out of my chest. Can a small cat bulldozer really take down that massive silo? The engine roars, dirt flies, and all eyes are on the moment of truth. Join me as we witness this dramatic showdown, machine versus giant, power versus scale.
Two gaps on this side, see that?
Wow, it was impressive to see heavy haulage in action, moving a giant Liebherr 974 excavator over a distance of 262,467 feet. Moving is carried out using a Goldhofer hydraulic trailer and a MAN TGX 41.680 truck, the perfect combination for heavy-duty tasks. The scene was overwhelming. The unplanned demolition of the silo led to a serious incident when part of the public library was damaged. This surprised everyone because the unexpected incident had a direct impact on an important cultural project. At the construction site in Eschborn, a Hitachi ZX870 LCH excavator was used to demolish the AEWR foundation. With outstanding power, this machine operates accurately and powerfully. Thanks to that, it completed the dismantling task quickly, making an important contribution to the project progress. With a breakthrough design, the Komatsu Continuous Excavator possesses a powerful engine with a capacity of up to 900 horsepower. Designed for deep excavation work in harsh environments, the machine increases productivity and optimizes the digging process, effectively serving large projects. A breathtaking scene unfolds as the excavator and demolition ball work in perfect sync, smashing through massive chunks of the cement silo. Debris flies, dust fills the air, an awe-inspiring display of raw mechanical power. Don't miss this epic moment. At a German dock, towering cranes stretch high, lifting massive containers onto ships. The entire port buzzes with activity, engines roar, cables tighten, and cargo moves swiftly and precisely. It's a powerful, rhythmic display of industrial might. A breathtaking scene at the coal mine. The powerful Komatsu PC-2000 front shovel digs up massive chunks of earth, while the HD-785 hauls away its enormous loads. Relentless machine movements, flying debris, and thick dust clouds paint a vivid picture of strength and high-paced mining action. Through an impressive transformation, the Doosan 340 has become a powerful demolition beast, equipped with a 3-part boom and a specialized cutter. Each thunderous strike sends dust and debris flying, creating a dramatic and intense spectacle of destruction. After the earthquake, machines moved in swiftly to demolish the damaged buildings. Columns were cut with precise calculation, and powerful impacts brought entire structures crashing down. A cloud of dust rose into the air, turning the scene into a dramatic spectacle. Thanks to its robust design, the Bauer BG-24H drill has the ability to operate durably in harsh conditions, easily penetrating hard layers of rock and gravel. With flexible adaptability, the machine performs drilling tasks accurately and efficiently, perfectly meeting the requirements of large-scale construction projects. Even though the truck was powerful, it still couldn't get over the muddy road and needed help from a tractor. This proves that even heavy vehicles have difficulty facing harsh terrain. Transporting the 235,394.34-pound Komatsu D475 bulldozer from the mining site to the service unit was a huge challenge. Requires the assistance of another Komatsu D475 for loading, along with a Komatsu WA600 wheel loader for unloading. This process requires excellent skill, coordination, and specialized equipment to complete the task. How wonderful! The yacht FP Helia, equipped with 2 by 60 horsepower engines, was transported from Aigues-Fuldanes to La Rochelle. Thanks to careful preparation, the journey went smoothly, bringing the giant machine to readiness for the next journey. What happened? The Liebherr LTM 1200 crane encountered a serious problem during construction, interrupting the entire work. Although AVI Auxiliary Crane tried, it could not be fixed in time, causing serious consequences. What's going on? A devastating trailer fire broke out in Berkeley Springs, West Virginia, causing panic in the area and paralyzing traffic. The fierce fire spread quickly, forcing firefighters to rush to prevent a disaster.